expands Bengaluru presence, Yelahanka welcomes a new state-of-the-art clinic, marking the brand's 79th location. Inaugurated by celebrated Kannada actress Sapthami Govda, a celebration of elegance and dermatological innovation. Bengaluru, 2nd July 2025. Kaya expands its Bengaluru presence with 12th clinic in Yelahanka. Kaya, India's most trusted chain of dermatologist-led clinics, has launched its 12th clinic in Bengaluru, marking a key milestone in its city-wide expansion. The newest location in Yelahanka, one of Bengaluru's most historic localities, blends convenience with clinical excellence. With this launch, Kaya continues its mission to make expert dermatological care accessible across every corner of the city, ensuring no neighborhood is left behind. The Yelahanka clinic offers a premium, state-of-the-art environment where clients can experience a wide spectrum of signature services, ranging from FDA-cleared laser hair reduction and rejuvenating medifacials to advanced pigmentation correction, scar and acne solutions, PRP hair therapy, Botox, fillers, and non-invasive body contouring. Each service is delivered under the guidance of Kaya's board-certified dermatologists and is customized for visible, lasting results. The launch was graced by Kannada film star Sapthami Govda, whose belief in honest, expert-led self-care beautifully echoed Kaya's values and added star power to the occasion. Bengaluru is India's innovation capital and a natural fit for Kaya's continued growth, said Nishant Nayyar, head of marketing at Kaya. With a discerning, high-net-worth audience that values quality, visible results, and ease of access, the demand for expert-led skin and hair solutions is only growing. Yelahanka's rich heritage and growing
town. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ತಂದಂತ ವಿಷಯ that this part of the town is getting their second branch ಇಲ್ಲಿ, and I think they've been Kaya Skincare has been like synonym with good skin. For example, nange when I wanted to start my laser treatment journey, when I was asking around, I think the first recommendation that I got back then was to go to Kaya Skin, and they've been a household name for a very very long time, be it with their state of the art treatment ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಬರೀ ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್, ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆನ್, considering how bad the skin damage is out there for all the men who don't wear sunscreen, please, I think they have phenomenal treatments and consultations for all the men out there, and they have a wide, like a web network of doctors working here, and everything is state of the art, and they have new technology called the Clear AI, and Ivak I was just asking about that. Navelru Korea probably navelru nodirthivi when we go to on reels or anything, South Korea they have that entire system, the glass skin, and the system where they analyze your skin, pigmentation agide, skin damage agide antalla. I think they've bought it here, and I think that will make a huge difference to people like me, especially being in this industry. Skin is very important namge. More than makeup, having a good skin creates that base, and ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸತಿ when ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ even without makeup it's very easy to step out. And irrespective of being in the industry, it gives women a lot of confidence in general, having good skin. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ probably teenagers or after that ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್. ಹೌಎವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಯು ಆರ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಪಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ and complete an institution that has been dedicated for this for years together. I thank Kaya for doing the job that they've been doing all these years. Congratulations to them. And Yelahanka branch is here. It's right above Tanishq, opposite Galleria Mall. So all of you, whoever are looking, please do come and visit them.
Thank you. The Vice President and Head of Marketing at Kaya. We are proud to bring our 12th clinic in Bangalore and second within the 3-4 months of this year. And the reason being that we are very, very bullish about how Bangalore is shaping up, how it's expanding continuously. There's an influx of a lot of people coming from all over parts of the country and also abroad. And I think when the concoction is like this, so many people are coming together, there are bound to be skin/hair/body requirements that everyone needs, because the lifestyles are different and eating habits are different, and so is the weather as well. While I love the Bangalore weather, I've stayed here for 2 years. But yes, for every person, it's a very agnostic thing, as doctor would always say, right? So we're very happy. We are very, very focused in bringing about newer technologies. We've recently just launched 3 new technologies that are state of art. They're also cutting edge. They're we're one of the only first ones in the clinical chain brands who have brought it out right now, which is MCT, which is for hair restoration. Then there's Artica, which is for skin toning, firming as well. And then we have Aerolase, which is for anti-acne, anti-aging, and other skin treatments as well. So as a brand, we are proud to be doing what we are doing. And as Saptami just mentioned, she's giving us kudos. I would like to take that on behalf of everyone from Kaya's team as well. But yeah, we are very focused in being in this industry and bringing about the best for everyone. We've been around for 22 years. All our doctors are the leading doctors in the country by far, and we have the biggest, biggest powerhouse of doctors across India, right? So we have more than 125 plus doctors across India. So there's a lot of cross learning amongst all doctors as well, and hence things move faster for us. So yeah.
Yes. Why you chosen Yelahanka, sir?
I think we didn't choose. I think Bangalore chose Yelahanka because of the airport coming closer. Because of the airport, when the airport moved here, I think what had happened is a lot of people started coming here, and we see a lot of corporate tech parks coming up, a lot of new residencies coming up as well, and a lot of malls have also come up.
And not only that, I think Bangalore is expanding this side.
Yeah.
It is going towards Hyderabad. I think it will touch Hyderabad in few years.
Yeah. Oh, she has Hyderabad sector as well, so everything will be under her only.
What is this process and how much time? What is the duration?
That I would like.
It's been, for over 22 years we've been in this industry. So this is a 79th clinic. We have around 70 odd products for skin, hair, and body. We have around 600 to 700 services for again skin, hair, and body. So along with that, what sets Kaya apart from rest of the competition is. We are a doctor-led approach, basically. So here, any treatment that is going on in the clinic, it is under the supervision of the doctor, or doctor performs it. So that sets Kaya, apart from rest of the competition. So along with that, we have Nishant was saying about Aerolase, MCT, and this. So we are continuously innovating and expanding to ensure that our clinics are at the forefront of cutting edge technology. So 3 important technologies that we recently have launched is again Aerolase, MCT, and Artica. Okay, so I also want to talk a little bit about Kaya Clear. So this is a AI backed skin analysis tool. Also, it tells us the predictive image of the skin. So we use this technology for acne, pigmentation. We also use it for anti-aging. So this gives us an image as to how does your skin look after doing certain number of sessions, be it for acne or pigmentation or anti-aging. So with this, I again welcome Saptami to launch this clinic, 12th clinic in Bangalore.
Yeah, so
Yes, we are into that.
thanks for coming. Myself is Piali. I am the regional head for Kaya South. And first and foremost, thank you so much for coming and gracing this occasion for us. Yes, as Nishant just said, we are really bullish on expansion because we know that that is the way forward. So we are coming up with a couple of more clinics in other regions of other cities of South, that is Hyderabad, then TNK. So wherever we feel that there is potential and we feel that our skin, hair and body requirements will be fulfilled by us, we will be going there because we need to have that kind of people, infrastructure, everything. So yes, you will see lot of more news about Kaya expanding in many other cities in South India.